You can easily manage your Google Chrome OS devices with GW Manager in bulk. In this video, I will show you how you can export all your Google Chrome OS devices in Google Sheets with GW Manager. And for that, you will go to Extensions, click on GW Manager, and then click on Launch to launch it. If you do not see GW Manager here, please visit our website to learn more about the installation. Once the extension is loaded, you will choose a feature which will be Manage Chrome OS Devices. And then you will go to Export Chrome OS Devices. Click on that, and GW Manager recognizes that you do not have that sheet inserted yet, and it is asking you to insert it. So click on Execute, and it will insert the Export Chrome OS Devices sheet. No input required because we are just doing an export. So now we can click on Execute and export. But for that, let's go to Admin Console. Let's go to Devices, Overview, and we can go to Chrome OS Devices. And we see that we have one device registered or enrolled for test at GW Manager. We'll come back here. We will click on Execute, and it will export the details of this device. We only have one Chromebook, but in case if you have 1,000 or 10,000, it shouldn't take more than a few seconds to export them all here. You can do much more with GW Manager, and we are constantly adding more features based on customers' request. Please visit gwmanager.com and give yourself a free trial. Thank you for watching.